So we're going to be adding and editing and deleting comments in the 6-CR pricing workbook. And we're going to start by making cell C10 active. And there's a couple different ways you can add comments to a cell. One technique is to go into Review and click on New Comment. That displays a little comment window. And then we can key in and you'll notice that you can resize these. Okay, so if you had more text than space, you certainly can resize it. And they have a border that you can position over, and you can actually move the comment box around. And then when we click away, what you're going to see is the little red triangle in the corner. And if you position your mouse over that cell, that is when you actually see the comment. So one way of inserting is simply clicking the cell and New Comment. Now what I typically do is right-click the cell, and then I choose Insert Comment from the menu. And we're going to do that on F8. So we're going to right-click, go down to Insert Comment, and we'll key in another one. And then we just kind of click away when we're done. I'm going to do the same thing for F9. I'm going to right click and insert comment. I'm going to click away. And what we're going to do next is basically copy and paste a comment. So instead of copying and pasting contents, this time we're going to do it with a comment. So for F9, we're going to right click and we're going to choose copy. And then we're going to go down to F10. And what we want to pick is paste special. Okay, so instead of choosing a paste option, we're going to choose paste special. And specifically what we want to paste are the comments. So we're going to come down here and choose paste special again to get into the dialog box. And we're going to choose comments and click OK. Okay, and now we've got that comment copied without adjusting the actual contents in the cell. And to get rid of our marching ants, we're going to press Escape. And they want us to go up to A1. And they want us to use the next command. So starting up on A1. And that basically just takes us from one comment to the next. To see all of the content, all of the comments open, we can show all comments. Okay. And then if you click on that again, it hides them. What we're going to be doing next is editing a comment. So we're going to go to cell C10, and we could click on Edit Comment, or we can right click and choose Edit Comment that way. Either one is fine. And what we need to do is adjust the dollar amount to $185.99. Okay, and then we'll just kind of click away. And for F10, we're also going to edit. So if you want to check out the Edit Comment button, that is fine, or you can right click and choose Edit Comment. But we're going to change 12% to 15%. Now for the comment in F8, we're going to delete that comment. So you can click on it and choose delete, or you can right click and choose delete comment. And they also want us to delete the comment in F9. And this time we'll just click on the button. Now, if we wanted to print out the comments at the end of the workbook, we can do that. Let's go, let me hit save here. We're going to go to File and Print. And then we do need to get into page setup. So we're going to click on that hyperlink down here. We're going to go into the very last tab section sheet. And where it says comments none, we're going to change that to at the end of the sheet. Okay, and then we're going to go ahead and click OK. And now if we scroll, you can see the comments. Okay, and at this point, we're going to go ahead and save. And then you can close out of 6-CR pricing.